Привет, привет! Russian 5 presents a very quick overview of a new course on Coursera presented by my lovely colleague from Latvia, Lyudmila Katane, Business Russian, and accredited by University of St. Petersburg itself. I wish I could live in St. Petersburg, but its winters are really bad for my voice. In the next few minutes, you're going to find out if this course is worth taking. Готовы? Тогда за мной.
Search for Business Russian in the Coursera search field and you won't miss the right course. At the moment, this course comes in 3 parts. We'll obviously start with part 1. Okay, let's go to course and see what it has to offer. Straight away, we have a very clear idea of the course duration. It's 4 weeks. Of course, you can choose your own pace, but this is the recommendation, I believe. Week 1 is focused on introduction skills, and you are promised to get the necessary skills to introduce yourself and your company. We'll have some videos and text to read, and of course, plenty of practice. At the end of each week, there's a 30-minute quiz, and by week 4, if you have chosen the paid course, you will receive a certificate. So, let the course begin. Scrolling through this week's objectives and instructors' greetings, straight to the point, vocabulary. Beautiful University of St. Petersburg logo. Very nice modern visuals. And we are learning how to say common jobs. And here's an amazing feature. You can actually download the video on your device. That's done. Cool. I'm curious now what the exercises look like. To pass, you have to score 60% or higher. I'm a native speaker. I'm sure I can do that. Ooh, that's a good one. It's not a trivial translation exercise. You are actually required to show understanding of what the job involves. So here we have to match professions and what one does. Let's see. Number 1 is makes contracts. Okay, that's a lawyer. How do I put my answers in now? It says to follow 1, 2, 3, for example. But we also have letters. Okay, I'll go with number and letter and see where it takes me. Then we have some nice audio exercises. Very good. I like that. Okay, this is not what I expected being a native speaker. 62%. Are you for real? What did I do wrong? Let's view feedback. Okay, the format was wrong. I guess they should really be only numbers in the order of letters. Seems a bit confusing. I would really appreciate it if the platform would let me know that my format was not correct. Well, I'm sure that's on Coursera and they will fix it soon. So, for you guys taking this test, you should only enter numbers, no letters here. Okay, phew, it had nothing to do with my Russian skills. Let's see what's next. I really like the verb aspect comes so early in the course. That's really important for business Russian. You see, in Russian we don't have a perfect tense like in English. You can say, I've seen it, I have seen it, and you will know the difference from I saw it. In Russian, we just have 2 different verbs for that. May sound confusing at start, but it's all very well explained in the course. You are also going to have an introduction template here. I'm telling you, that's real, everyday Russian. That's how we really speak. No phrases coming from 50 years ago. I also like the way grammar is presented. You probably heard about Russian cases system. In this course, you only learn cases that you need to know in certain situations. For example, dative case is very important when you're talking about what one should, is allowed, or mustn't do. And that's the context you're studying it in. You will not feel like you're learning grammar for the sake of learning grammar.
I can't give you any more spoilers. If you're working with Russian business customers or clients, ask your employer. They might be willing to cover the cost of this course, and if you show them this video, they will not be able to resist. Alternatively, you can of course take this course for free, just for yourself, and I guarantee you will acquire those business Russian skills. And this review was presented to you by your humble channel, Russian Pie, and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumb up if you want to see more of my videos. Пока!